Good afternoon, YouTube. Good afternoon, Kick. Good afternoon, Twitch. Good afternoon, Discord, FX Mechanic, Manpour, Jeff, and Zop. Yeah, FOMC minutes meeting, yes. For maybe something. Hey 90S, how are you? Yeah, there was a great hack entry and I was trying to get the stream set up and missed it. Right here. Very nice entry. Let's see what we can do from here. Got 10 minutes till news drops. Let's see if we can get any kind of reaction. Looks like still. Nothing currently. Let's see if we can get a move. Could run long off that one. 9 ticks. 24 ticks. Ooh. It'll be worse. 50 tick complete. Let's see what she does. Open for a dump and pump. Sounds good, Sonny. Good afternoon. I should mark that up quickly in case we do hold that level. I extremely doubt it. Milkshake. Alright. That works. Make a milk. I'm glad you're back. Glad to be back, Sonny. 23.82.1 and 23.73.2 on GC. Let's mark them up, son. 23.82. 1 and 23.73.2. And we'll see how they play. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we'll see something. That's exactly what I'm thinking. I saw it was on the news bot too, Sonny. I don't know how I missed it. It was on there. It dropped at 7 o'clock this morning, just like it was supposed to. Red folder. It was there. I don't know what. I have no idea what I wasn't looking at, but for whatever reason, I did miss it. So. All right, 5 minutes, guys. Anything for Naz? What is she looking like? Nothing there. I want to grab a hold of it later here. All right. Stop clicking this dang candle. Okay. Let's see. Gap on SPX. 52.51. Beautiful, beautiful. Why is that the wrong chart? Hold on a second, guys. I got the wrong. That's the one I'm looking for. Holy moly. Stack chart. Right, but I ain't planning on trading Nasdaq right now. One minute, Sonny. No, I'm not full porting at all. Bro, why am I going to full port? Just trading. We trade news. Just the ABCs of it. Top wick. Not a lot. Not much of a top wick. Alright, let's see here. Held the low. Little bottom wick. I think it's going to break the low there. Slightly confused at this price. It is separated. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but price is not the same. Yeah, I'm not understanding the price here. There's the low broke. All right, Sonny. Those prices do not match, though. Nasdaq dropped big. Yeah, it wouldn't. Yeah. Alright, let's go back and pull the long from there again. The problem is, I'm not understanding why my prices aren't matching. A little concerning. Okay, that's no good no more. Out of the picture now. What was the high? Yeah. That's off the board now. Off the table, that long's no longer valid. That area anyway. Unless we come back in and make a new low. Then we can check it again. Next 4-hour candle, probably continuation down, stock says. Could very well be. Prices are not the same. Not here. Green and she's moving. Anyway. You long stocks, nothing wrong with that. I am a little confused about the prices here. If I was to guess, I would say Ninja Trader is behind by a bit. Yeah. Power that off and reconnect. I'm gonna disconnect. Comes back green and then I'll pull the screen back. Maybe. Maybe I shouldn't have turned it off. Stop loss at entry. Alright, good job, stocks, good job. Taking a stab at it. One more time. Now we'll switch companies up real quick. Alright, there. 1 second. I am going to swap companies. Not making me at all. for whatever reason. Sorry guys, just give me 1 second.
Okay, guys, just give him 1 second.
Hey, Phils.
Hello, how are you?
Good, I'm good. And for some reason, my NinjaTrader wasn't working. I don't know if it's a NinjaTrader issue or a Apex issue, but we're gonna swap to Lilo and see.
You should sue them.
Blech. I don't think it's that
Yes,
that urgent.
it's loss of income.
There we go.
Trading is loss of income. You can sue them.
We're fine. All right, Lilo's good. Let me share my. Another reason I'll tell you should have more than one account. I'm just gonna leave. I'm just gonna leave the. Oh, whoops. I'm just gonna leave
20.
the. That should be over there. Right now, 23.91. Yes. Okay. 23.90. Yes. Beautiful. All right. There we are. Back in business, guys. Yeah. This one's. Oh, hold on a second. I haven't put my account on it yet. 1 second, guys.
I am paper trading today because I have no capital left. Goodbye.
What? Goodbye, he said. Goodbye. Oh my jeez. Alright.
I am taking break from executing trades and I am only doing analysis, which so far has been 100% correct. So you will see further drop in gold, another 100 pips on XAU, and then maybe retracement. We will see. It is accumulating for big moves because big things are happening in the world, and because the SEC Gary was fired now in charge of Bitcoin crypto, so now that has room to do more bullish pumps, and it has no cap, so we should see a lot of pump and dumps. Things will dump 50%, 30%. This is speculation, not financial advice. Especially during elections, the market may dump for Trump.
Market may dump for Trump. Can you make me a hat that says that?
Yes, take a dump for Trump.
Oh my god, that's even worse. Oh, Sonny says Donald Dump.
Yes.
Oh my jeez. That is seriously something.
Not financial advice.
No. That is unusual how that worked there, guys. I don't know. I don't know why that was separated like that, and I don't know if it was Ninja or what, but I couldn't get Apex to pull back up, so I hate to say I think it could have possibly been an Apex issue. I don't want to point any fingers, but...
Yes, I liquidated my Apex because I traded silver minis for the first time out of FOMO, it's very self-destructive. I was feeling very emotional because of personal life relationship issues. So I will no longer trade emotionally,
Yeah, you
and
don't
only
want to do
during
that.
session. I will not stay up all night any longer.
Yeah, you don't want to do that either. You want to make sure you're well rested.
I also have a good circadian rhythm because that affects mental health a lot. There's a lot of research, scientific and medical. You need to rise when the sun rises and
Set when the sun
the
sets,
opposite.
or can you
What?
set during the day too? Or can you set when the sun sets, or can you set during the day too?
Do I look like a Buddhist to you? I don't know. Not a monk. I am not a monk. You know. I don't. Maybe I will shave my head. Who knows? It might make me more aerodynamic.
You were right about Phil's. What was that? What do you mean I was right about Phil's?
He's trying to slander. He said yesterday's stream. You said that I was the worst trader you have ever seen.
No, that is not the truth. I told him he was the worst trader that I ever seen, even worse than Phil's. That's what I said.
Wow.
Absolutely. Because he told me. Yeah, he claims he's a millionaire trader from who knows where. My Bitcoin analysis.
Slovakia, maybe?
No. Yeah, Slovakia. There you go. Something. Who knows where he's from? He's from some dang where. It don't matter. It don't matter to me.
I'm not too worried about my capital being liquidated because technically I only lost $25 because I started with 25. I turned it into 400 in 2 days and then liquidated. So I just have to do that again.
Wait,
but I
will make 400 and liquidate again? Don't do that. Don't do it again.
No, I will not do the last part.
Oh, okay. Just part one.
Hopefully.
Sounds better.
I just have to stick to my strategy because the time I got liquidated, I had no strategy. It was random trades, random hedging with double the lot size that I had in my strategy for risk management. So I am just standing in my own way. Maybe it is because I am afraid of how good I am. I don't want to outshine Zop.
You're not gonna have to try hard. You're not gonna have to try hard.
Really, I have a question.
Yep.
Do you know with this ongoing sale for Apex, the fee you have to pay after you pass an account to get a live account? Do you know if that's like different with this sale?
No. The only thing that's different is the 250. If you got a 250 account, it is cheaper with this sale. But if you did not get a 250 account, then no. The fee to pass with the 250 is, I think, 85. Or no, I think it's the same as. Let me look real quick. Let me look. I believe it's the 250.
Do you know how much it is for 50K?
50K is normally $140. I'm gonna assume it's the same. Let me look. I'm trying to see. Oh, PA fee equals $85 for all sizes. I'm wrong. So it's $85 for all sizes
that's
currently.
Only till the end of the sale, right?
Correct, the end of the month. Unless they extend it. Now, if they extend it...
Oh, the end of the month. Is that till the end of the month, the $85?
Yeah, it's to the end of the month.
Alright.
I mean, that's what this thing says. It says monthly... oh, hold on. That's monthly PA fee. Lifetime, $250. $300, $320, now $85. So that only applies to the 250K, yeah. Correct. It's only 250K, so the 50K is still going to be $140. Unless you do the monthly fee.
Alright.
It's $85. I've never did the monthly fee. I don't think that's the way to go. Just telling everybody.
No, I don't think it is either.
I think you're better just pay the 140 and be done. But it is an $85 PA fee lifetime for the 250K. They're trying to get you to buy the 250K, and I recommend not to buy the 250K as well. So, but completely up to you guys.
All right, thank you, man.
Yep.
You're welcome.
If you fell as a trader, maybe you have to think about stand-up comedy. Yeah, I assume that's for Phil's. Yeah, Sonny. What do you?
What? Oh, that is
Sonny
for
says,
me.
yeah, I assume he's saying that maybe you could do stand-up comedy if you don't make it as a trader. I mean, you still got
Okay.
yeah.
You know, that is what somebody said to me after they banned from their server.
Mm-hmm. Somebody banned you from their server and then said you should take up stand-up comedy.
Yes.
What? That's
I'm not going to
random.
name,
Yeah.
I'm not going
not-
to name names, but it rhymes with punity.
Yeah. Right. Oh, I have no idea what you're talking about, Phils. Oh,
Okay.
jeez. I know what you're talking. Oh, I think the 250K, 85 lifetime till end of month. Yeah, A90, yes, me too. Absolutely. That's exactly how I read it. I wanted to read it to make sure, but yeah. I don't pay attention to a lot of these things. The wife posts all the stuff, so. I recommend to invest in Phil's. He can
Oh,
7,000 times. Yeah. Zop, but you like 1 billion times anything that you ever put into anything. You put a penny into it and you can make a penny into 25 billion. So why would anybody invest in Phil's when they can just invest in you, Zop?
Because Zop is not funny.
That's a fact. He is not funny. And that right there was funny in itself, just you saying that. But yes, you are right. He is not funny at all.
For some reason, he avoids being funny, like it is an allergy.
Uh-huh. He's kind of like an allergy. You know, you just can't seem to shake him. It's just kind of...
Yes, and it's giving me a rash in my private parts.
Yeah, I believe that. I believe he's a rash. I believe. Hopefully we're going to get there, Sonny. Look at that. Push. Come on. Let's go. Are you grabbing long as soon as we get to 82-1, Sonny? Is that your plan? I'm going to try to use a hack entry, hopefully, if we get down there, but what's your plan, Sonny? I invested in OpCat. 10 times your money. Man, there's a good bang down. Man, if I would have invested in Bitcoin at $1, I could have made all kinds of money too, man.
Yes.
Today was the day that Homeboy used 10,000 Bitcoin and bought 2 pizzas from Papa John's with it. Today marks the anniversary. Yeah.
Did you know Papa John actually kept those bitcoins and now he's billionaire?
Could be. Probably long for the day. Waiting for the 9 count. Okay, Sonny. Sounds good. Papa John.
That's what they call me.
You were the delivery driver?
Yes.
Yeah, you remember reading about the pizza guy. Yeah. I told you don't fade my signals. Man, as soon as I see one of your signals, I'm gonna fade it for you. Reality, something weird going on with Apex. Yeah. I already swapped. I closed Apex down and went to Lilo flow. I had exactly the same problem. The price wasn't the same. So I stepped away from Apex. You are 100% right. I actually just did it. I just swapped to Lilo. Next time I'll tag you. Alright, deal. No, it's not. It can't be a rhythmic issue because Lilo's fine. So, and this is Lilo's rhythmic connection right here. And it is working, as you can see. Great. So, it has to be an Apex issue, sadly. Now, that doesn't mean that it's a Trade-Evade issue. All you guys using Trade-Evade, maybe it's fine. I don't know. I don't use Trade-Evade, so I can't tell you that one. But currently, the NinjaTrader Apex connection, as I was using it, was lagged. You guys saw the price was very different, a couple dollars different on gold, which is a very big amount. I can't take this trade here, guys. Not enough room, too much stop loss. We are waiting.
There is no such thing as no such thing as
yeah.
Okay. So basically,
Jeff, it could be your connection terminal too, because I run off of Chicago. Maybe whatever terminal's closer to you is not having the issue. Possibly. I mean, I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah. All I know is it was a couple dollars off. Like gold price went down all the way to 88, and my NinjaTrader was still at like 90 and some change, and then price went all the way up to like 90, 91, and then NinjaTrader went down to 88. So it was yeah, I wasn't gonna try to trade that. I don't want to be $2 behind. I don't think it'll end well.
gold is bullish on the weekly chart, but it is slightly overbought, but leveling. I expect us to go a bit more down for manipulation, and then we can swing up, make more higher highs. $3,000 should happen, a couple months time, maybe less.
I was still waiting for the 5,000 that you called.
Yes, that eventually.
I've been long since 2,400. When you said we were going to 5,000, I still hadn't got nowhere.
Yes, we've gone up like a lot higher.
I'm just joking.
Right now it is sweeping lows. It is not a good time to trade right now. Don't know.
It's funny, Phils, because Zop thinks that I won't fade his signals. You can clue him in on that one.
Zop signals. Everyone fades my silver signals in here, but in other servers, they take it and they make thousands of dollars. Everyone makes money except for me.
Okay. Contracts, holy moly, man, poor.
Don't do this
What
for
did you say?
money.
No, I was just telling Phils that you didn't believe that I'd fade your signals. That's all.
Fade.
Phils knows. He knows that I'll fade anything. It don't matter to me now.
Zop, you owe me USDT. You said you were going to gift me USDT.
We're gonna get there, Sonny. Right here, it's gonna break
Zup.
these lows. Gonna push down, break these
Zup.
lows, and hit your spot.
Zup, NDAs are useless. Hey!
Come on, break that low.
Zup, NDA signals are useless because you cannot verify them, you know. There is no way to enforce. You cannot prove that someone is copying, especially if
No, Sonny,
you didn't
just do it. 2 ticks. No, push. There it is. Ooh.
Yes, we're going down by the way.
There
Just
you
with
go.
lows like. Keep
There
short
you
hitting
go,
everyone.
Sonny.
Not financial advice. Full quarters, just kidding. Don't do it. Just DCA buys, best strategy in this market right now. But it's going to go down another 100 pips, like I said. Let me check GC1.
I wouldn't pay for your signals. They're not worth free. There's no point in signing an NDA. I don't sign anything, so you don't have to worry about that either. But free is way too much for them, so don't charge that much, man. That's not fair. You're gonna drop signals. Make sure you pay people for them.
So, what is my USDT you owe me?
Almost there. It's there, stocks. It hit.
You said a couple days ago you would send me USDT. I have proof, I have receipts. Not slender, I have screenshots. You said you were going to gift it to me.
Stocks is
free.
long. Sonny's waiting on a 9 count, I believe. He may be long now, I'm not sure, but he said he was waiting on a 9 count. I can do much with it yet. I could do another pull from here. Let's try that. See if we can figure out a way to get involved. Nope. I didn't think so. I gotta wait.
Okay.
Got a 30-minute close. What do we end up? Did we do a bottom wick? No. Oh, I can't get involved there at all.
Okay. I might reset Apex today or just fund my live account so I can FOMO into the action.
I would reset Apex if I was you. Again, you don't have to take my advice, but if you're having problems with it, you're better off to just lose a couple dollars than losing a lot. You know what I mean? Apex counts like 16 bucks.
It cannot swing trade. I like swing trading. Like holding positions for weeks, months.
Yeah.
You know, because then I was able to, you know, make 400% on gold in a week. And I did it all on live stream as well, by the way. All the signals were called out.
First TP hit.
Did you
Oh, you
catch
already
up?
got in. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice, Sonny.
Not financial advice.
And Sonny is out. Good trade, Sonny. Good job, good job. Stocks. Oh, hold on. I'm long. Closed. Made 200 though. Very nice, stocks. Very good, very good. Good job, guys. I couldn't get involved there. I've got to see a bottom wick on this candle first, unfortunately. I need a bottom wick here. And that little 2-tick wick there doesn't work.
DXY is pumping, guys. So, you know, it's
Yeah.
it's something that you have to consider for retracement. But again, I would just not have any positions right now, like I do not currently. But I would start looking at entering positions in about at around. You see how it wicked down on GC1 on the 1 minute chart, we had a wick down to 2383.5.
2 ticks.
Yes. So that was a sweep of liquidity. Okay, that was a micro liquidity sweep, and then we're going to have another one at 2380.2. Okay, not financial advice. We could possibly go lower, but this is just 1 minute scalping. From there, we could retrace back up to the resistance at 2392 and 2397.
I don't think that was liquidity sweep.
I'm gonna go on the 1 hour. I should not be trading in 1 minute. You guys cannot handle the 1 minute. I apologize.
Yeah, just go to the 30. You can see that all we did was have a push up candle, as a flat bottom push up candle. It's just created a top wick currently, so you really didn't have a sweep of any kind there.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So
on the 30 minutes, I see us going much lower. Oh my god.
that's the problem. That's my problem. That's why I couldn't long there.
You guys are in for a storm.
Is Apex planning an exit scam? No. Apex makes millions and millions and millions of dollars a month. They're not going anywhere. No way would they.
Okay,
would they have an exit plan?
I like 2353.3 for buys on GC1. So you could either, if you're longing, swinging, you would be at the current moment probably placing DCA hedge trade, maybe shorting the retracement, or if you wanted to retain high win rate, you would just not trade until the buy levels, because overall we are still bullish fundamentally. This week, this month, we are going to go a lot higher, but of course we need to sweep the retail money first in order for the institutions to have enough orders filled to go in the opposite direction. So again, that is around those levels I mentioned. From there, I see us going all the way up to about 2474.9, and then possible consolidation.
Oh, we're back because of FOMC. 8 count, Sonny says. Next 15 minute, maybe the reversal. 9 on the hourly.
If with hawkish usually, so we'll see.
Probably, yeah, till next day. ZOP, there's nothing to invest in. If you want to make money with Apex, then get yourself an account and trade. They paid out $170 million. That's what this sale's all about, is they're paying out $170 million to their traders. So you want to make money with Apex? Trade. You said you're this marvelous, trader that can
He does not
trade.
have the goals to handle the trailing drawdown.
Well, the trailing drawdown's easy, especially for somebody who knows how to trade. I mean, and he's a master trader, like beyond, like he's the Bruce Lee of the trading industry.
He's a beginner. He asked to be my student. He wanted me to mentor him.
Yeah.
And he wanted to pay me car.
Yeah. I believe. Your investment, yeah, exactly like Manpour says, your investment in Apex is trading. That's how you make money with Apex. You want to make money with Apex, you trade.
They are not publicly traded. You cannot buy them on the Nasdaq. But if you want to have this is what crypto bros do. They see that their exchange has their own coin, and they think, oh, a broker must have their own coin too, and I can invest in their coin and chill it. No.
You longed again stocks? 1 lot. Alright, small entry, 1 lot. Oh, jeez. What have you been doing, Paul?
I love it to see it.
This is why I've been so quiet. I've been let's just say concentrating.
Yeah. No, Zop, you can't invest in Apex. They're not
They're so
publicly
bad at-
traded. Just like Phil's just said, if you want to make money, you have to be a trader, which you have said you are marvelous at. With all the millions that you have sitting in your back pocket, well, you got like 5-6 million cash in your back pocket, I think you'd be fine to just go ahead and trade for some
He's a
more.
copy trader. He doesn't understand how to trade. He's a copy trader. He doesn't understand the techniques, technicals, and fundamentals.
Green dot crew. I guess I'm in the green dot crew. I like that. 5 minutes left. If it drops lower, I'll enter again. She's waiting for the next hourly. Alright, stocks. A little more spread here. Maybe an opportunity to get involved. Yeah.
So listen, the Fed may
Yes.
suffer in interest rates. Okay. Wait, did that news already come out? Let me check. Probably.
I don't know. I don't
Feels
look at news,
digital.
Phils. You know that.
I've always had the green dot, okay. I just did not have it on NQ. But I have it on gold. I just had it wanted me to buy the extra package for NQ, which is a scam.
No, Phils. You only have to buy the CME data, and it gives you NQ and gold. $7 a month, man.
I don't know, man.
That's all it is. I'm telling you. You should have let me know. I would have showed you which one to get.
What if I've been trading with 10-minute delayed data for this whole year and I did not know?
You very well
Oh,
could have been.
Jesus.
It wouldn't have surprised
would
me,
make-
Phils.
That's why I liquidate so often.
Phil's just had a revelation.
I told them there last week, if you go back through the chat, you will see me pointing out about the green dot and laughing at them very, very, very ferociously about the fact that this massive trader that we have doesn't know about CME data. Jesus. You couldn't
That's
make it up.
crazy. Crazy.
Okay. It seems that I do not have it, but that's for GC1 for the futures. But I only trade I trade the forex, so it's okay.
I know, man.
Forex, no delay. So the market closes in 2 hours and 18 minutes.
What way are we going?
We are going to 2354.6, probably in about an hour, maybe less, and then we're going to get ready for close, which will be another bigger dump, probably to like 2291, maybe not. But basically, the fact that the Fed is going to be tougher on interest rates is a big fundamental confluence of what direction the market is going to go.
Be careful on Nasdaq after the close, guys, because Nvidia earnings is today, so that could be a huge, problem with Nasdaq. You're either going to see pump and dump and pump, whatever you want to say. You're gonna see a lot of movement with NQ after hours, so be very careful if you're in any trades. I know a lot of you are with Top Step, so at 10 after you have to close down, but you guys that are with Apex and things like that, obviously you can continue to hold your positions till 5, but be super careful because then earnings will come out, and I don't know if it's going to be 401, 405, 410, whatever, but be super careful because she should get super volatile then.
So today about 4 hours and 43 minutes ago, we had some news come out. The existing home sales, the MOM, that was bullish for gold. The actual was 4.14, consensus 4.110, and then 30 minutes after that, we had the IA crude oil stock exchange news come out, and that was also bullish for gold. The actual 1.825, consensus negative 3.100. So
Bullish gold. Hold, sorry.
yeah,
The price has
bullish.
been dropping drastically. How is this bullish for gold?
Well, you see, gold moves because of multiple different influences. Okay,
Okay.
so those two things I just said are a confluence, and what I would call myself barrels in the chamber. Okay, so now we have the other news that is more related to emotion, and that is the Fed speaking, because the Fed is a human and it is not oil news. It has emotions. People can empathize with it, right? They can see it as a human, and because it's Powell, they like his shiny white head. And when he says things, they like to dump and pump. So that is why we have been dumping, because of the expectation that the Fed is going to be a bit more stricter on the rate change. So that is bearish for gold. However, that is just the emotion side, and that is just what the institution is doing to sweep right now. They're playing with people's emotion. They're liquidating people's retail longs. And once the actual Fed comes out and they decide, oh, JK, policy change, that is when we are going to pump. When all of the retail is liquidated from their longs, and the institutions can then flip the script. No
Okay,
financial advice.
what is the liquidation price in your estimation? What are we looking at for?
On the,
Divide.
well, the
We have a
30-minute chart.
9.
On the 30-minute chart is 23.51 for the GC1. Even and then on the 4-hour, it would be 23.46.8.
I'm just trying out these things here now. 23. Say 23.50.
Hypothetically, now this is actually something that I wrote down in an analysis years ago, so I am not waffling. This could be the moment when we go down to 1400, and then we pump up to 5,000 or 3,000.
Yeah. So you're just convinced me you haven't a fucking notion what you're talking about, mate?
No, I have it written down. I swear it's all written down.
I wrote it out there when I was 9 years of age, but you know, things didn't work out the way I thought it would. What's your point?
Every single analysis that I've written down on Discord has had a 100% win rate for the past year, and that is proven.
Are we back to that old chestnut again? Feels everybody is right eventually. Oh no, this is me you're talking to.
Let me see if my students are in this channel. Is Ostef here? Ostef can confirm. One of my disciples.
Your disciples.
My inner circle can confirm. Zop can confirm.
Anyway, so what are we waiting for reality now? We're just basically waiting for the news to drop.
Yeah, the news dropped. The news already dropped, so it brought gold down.
Yeah.
So not a whole lot yet. Like I said, if you're trading in Q, then super careful here, you know, in an hour and 13 minutes. Somewhere around 4 o'clock, they'll drop that in NVIDIA earnings. And like Man Poor said, every now and again, it comes out early and you'll see a move at 355. So be super careful if you're trading. Obviously, I would never tell you not to trade it because it could work, but make sure that you know, trade carefully because it should be a pretty big move. This was FOMC that happened at 2, but we're to 248 now. So I mean, we got to move down on gold, but nothing really spectacular. Stocks and Sunny did well. They got into they grabbed longs right here at Sunny's POI and got a little bit, got a little bit on the long and got back out. So I think Stock said he did like 200, and I know Sunny got a TP and then got out. So they did well there. Now it's just kind of not doing nothing, I'll be honest. So I mean, I was hoping for a little more fireworks than we got. I mean, I was hoping for at least a dump and pump or a pump and dump or something, but really we just kind of got a drool. So I don't know. Yeah, that's what it seemed like. Just kind of a drool down. I don't know. Wasn't much. So that's what we got. Sonny, you see anything else? I'm probably going to call it good and get out of here. I'm not going to wait around until for an hour and 10 minutes for NVIDIA earnings. I know that, and I probably won't even trade them.
May I talk about the NVIDIA earnings before we end?
Yeah, go ahead.
Go to sleep. Okay. Sorry, I'm turning my text-to-speech. Go to sleep. I have to tell her to go to sleep. To turn it off, I apologize. It's not listening. Go to sleep. These robots, they're so stubborn. Go to sleep. Okay, it worked. Okay, so basically, for NVIDIA's next earnings report, well, specific figures are not yet, present. Analysts typically project continued growth based on the company's recent performance, market trends, and demand for its products. Okay, so here's some few factors that could influence the expectations. Okay, the continued data center growth. NVIDIA's data centers have been a major growth driver given the ongoing demand for cloud computing and AI services. This segment might continue to see strong performance. Next, we have gaming revenue. The gaming sector could also be a key area, especially new product launches or updates in the NVIDIA graphics processing unit, GPUs. The success of these products can significantly impact earnings. Next, we have AI and machine learning. NVIDIA is heavily invested in AI and machine learning. Advances or increased adoption in these areas could boost their financial performance. As a confluence for that, we have countries now pouring billions of dollars into AI, which, in my opinion, means AIs will be our overlords soon. Not financial advice. Next, we have global economic factors. Macroeconomic conditions such as consumer spending trends and global supply chain issues will play a crucial role in shaping NVIDIA's performance. So we would like to see an update in the forecast closer to the release, probably on sentiment like Twitwits or whatever they call themselves, stock twits. That site is good. Reddit, Twitter, it's basically getting a sentiment confluence. But yes, very good. I hope that gave some information. Any questions, please give to my secretary.
All right.
Paul, did that help?
Yeah, not really, no.
Okay. Have a nice goodbye.
Look at the chart. Look at the chat. I now have you on my charts field, so I'm actually hoping that you were right. So I'm going to basically bet the house on this. Or
There you
basically
go.
My child's tuition, college funds into it.
There you go.
That's okay. No, said I'm keeping an eye on it, my man. I'll at least give you that. I'll add an alert and everything for it.
Yes, the main part of the analysis was that AI is going to take over and they will
I've
replace
been around
everyone.
since the 90s. I was here whenever Terminator was first released. I know the internet. I know the AI is going to kill everybody. It's going to kill the stupid.
First on the list.
Me? No, it's far too far to come to get me. I live in the asshole of nowhere.
You're the number one. But I think it has facts though, because also Apple just partnered with OpenAI to now put ChatGPT newest model in Siri with replacement voice as well. It sounds very realistic. It's going to be like the movie Her. So 8 billion people will now have access to basically the smartest being in the world and be able to use it for themselves. Everyone is going to be capable of anything, and this is going to crash everything and create new structures and economics and currency, etc. Not financial advice. I'm burying myself underground. Canada, I think they invested. It was either a billion, I think like 12 billion or 10 billion or 2 billion into AI. I think that is going to take over a lot of the jobs for Canadian government soon.
All right, Andy. Yes, I will see you tomorrow, man.
I see proof. Okay, stop. I don't know what price gain locally. No, bro, Bitcoin's going to like $10. You're wrong. Let me go to my Bitcoin monthly chart.
Well, I hope the Papa John's guy cashes out before it goes to $2 because he probably paid more for the pizzas than $4.
That's true. He also paid for extra pepperoni. If he never got the extra pepperoni, he'd be a millionaire.
Yeah.
Okay, Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart is going to 57,971. The monthly chart, I mean, we could look at the weekly, but I prefer monthly. It's more accurate.
Or like errors, what do you mean?
Oh wait, no, let's go to the weekly. F the monthly.
You're almost about to buy pizza. Good job.
Oh my god, yes, on the weekly chart, we're going to $767. I'm going to take a screenshot. I have proof, I have analysis, I have technical analysis.
8,800.
Yeah, so does I.
Wait, actually, that number is...
Gosh. There is a whole lot of nothing. Alright, guys. I think I am going to pack it up. 7:30 tomorrow morning. I will see you guys right around there. Something like that. And we'll start again.
See you then.
Hopefully there's something good. I mean, today, I was really hoping that FOMC would move a little more. It just was kind of flat, if you will. So, and Poor already left. I think he's fed up. I don't blame him. All right, Sonny. See you tomorrow. Bills, Paul, Jeff, Zop, Stocks, Rat Killer. I assume you're here. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great evening, guys.
Cheers, man.
Zop, what price do you think Bitcoin is going to? Zop, tell me.